Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel Lotus Geek. In today's video, we are going this particular issue, your PC did not start correctly. So let's go ahead and proceed. First of all, here you need to click on advanced options and then switch over to advanced mode. I'll go ahead and proceed with it. Now these are the options that are available in front of you in the advanced options. Click on this troubleshoot option and choose the option reset this PC. Now here click on the first option, keep my files. Now here two options are available, cloud download or local reinstall. Choose the second option, local reinstall. Now here once I click on this reset button, it will start resetting my system to a complete system restore. So here I'll go ahead and cancel it because I am here to teach you how to fix this particular error. Now here again comes the troubleshooting screen. Now proceed with the second method if first method doesn't work out to you. Choose troubleshoot, advanced options and choose here a system restore. System restore means if you have created any system restore disk, it will help you restore to a previous stable restore point. At my end there is no restore point available, that's why it is showing me that it can't be restored. If at your end, if there is restore point you have created, then proceed with the on screen instructions and it will help you how to fix this particular issue of yours. Now if both these two methods doesn't work out, let's proceed with the third method. Choose advanced and this time click on the command prompt option. Now in command prompt you need to type two commands one by one. First one is sfc space / scan now and then hit the enter button. This command will take up to 10 minutes, so just be patient and let this command fix out your issues for you. Now once this command is completed, type another command dism space / online space / cleanup image space / restore health. This command will take pretty much time, that's why I'm not going to hit the enter key. But at your end, once you hit the enter key, it will start processing and repairing your system files. Once the process is completed, again type the exit and then restart your system and go ahead and check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, we'll proceed with the next step. Click on this troubleshoot option and click on advanced options. From here choose command prompt. Now in command prompt, first of all you need to type the letter of your Windows drive, which is C drive. But by default the drive letter is changed from C to D. So type here D drive and semicolon, then hit the enter key. Now type here dir and then again hit the enter key. Now here you can see the program files folder are available over here. That means we have chosen the correct drive letter. Once chosen the drive letter, now type here cd / windows / system32 / config, then hit the enter key. Now here type md space backup, again hit the enter key. Now type here copy space asterisk dot asterisk space backup. Now hit the enter key. Now if it is asking you to overwrite / type all, else let it be. Now once you can see the 10 files are copied. Now type here cd space regback and then hit the enter button. Now here type dir. Now this time type here copy space asterisk dot asterisk space dot dot. Now hit the enter key. At my end it is showing that the file path is not specified because I am using this system in my virtual ground. But at your end few files will be copied in your system and after that over here at this point of time you need to choose the option all, the same option that we have chosen over here. Over here, like we have chosen the option all, so I type here ALL all. So here also you need to type ALL again and then hit the enter button to continue. Once done, type exit and then go ahead and restart your system. This will surely fix out your issue. Now if these 5 steps doesn't work out for you, the only option you are left with is to do a clean install. No other way in this world will help you to fix this issue, because I came and combined all the best method for this failure. So this is all about to fix your PC did not start correctly. If this video works out for you, if you think this video helps you out, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.